Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to spread this red cream on the top of the cake and spread it evenly further using this object. After this, you can remove the size like this. Similarly, we are going to spread this white cream. We are going to give a snow look here. After this, we are going to make a Christmas tree on this strawberry. So remove the green cream like this and look, your Christmas tree is ready. Dab it on the top of the cake like this. Make two such trees. After this, we're going to also make some more balls and combine all of them together, and look, your snowman is ready. Make the Santa Claus hat, its eyes like this, sprinkle some sugar, and look, it's done. We're going to make a Christmas tree from basic for Christmas Day. So let's get started. We're also putting the strawberries at the center. Now we are going to make cut using this cutter and give it a shape of cone. After this, we're going to cover all of them using this white whipped cream, and we're also adding some layers on the top of it. Similarly, we're also adding this green cream and spread it evenly, but look at the beautiful texture we are making here. After this, add more details like we are doing here. You can also make more tree like this, and look, it's ready. Decorate it further for strawberries and berries, and look, it's done. Let's decorate this cake for Christmas Day. So we are going to spread this green whipped cream. After this, you can add these simple waves on the side of the cake and fill it completely like we're doing here. Look how pretty it is already looking. After this, we're going to make it even. So take this object or scale like this. You can decorate it further using strawberries and put some whipped cream on the top of it and put another strawberry like this. You can make these little snowmen Santa Claus like this, and look, it's ready. We're watching this video.